everyone, this is Jessa Joy Quines, your private school teacher for 3 years. And I know you are so curious. Ano nga ba ang Elites Empire? And I know you're someone na nakita yung opportunity na to through online kasi I was once like you dati na talagang naghahanap ng opportunity. And you know what? The moment nakita ko yung opportunity na to, I'm so grateful. Talagang binago nito yung buhay ko. From someone na teacher na halos walang oras sa sarili at sa family right now, I am experiencing the freedom na I know gusto mo ding ma-experience sa buhay mo. Maybe you are questioning also, legit ba talaga ang Elites Empire? Well, ako na mismo nagsasabi sa'yo, yes, legit na legit po because our company, Empower Consumerism, is already 18 years in the industry. And Elites Empire is the top one marketing arm ng ating company, Empowered Consumerism. And I'm so grateful na andito ako right now. Di ba, from someone I'm teaching for 3 years as a private school teacher, naghihintay ako ng ranking para maging regular or teacher 1 sa DepEd. But during those times na naghihintay ako ng pagkakataon na talagang makapasok sa DepEd, nakita ko yung opportunity na to. Akala ko rejected ako eh. Ilang years pa ako naghintay. But after years of waiting, sabi ko, maybe there's something na minilaan sa akin yung higher creator natin. And answered prayer, yes, nakilala ko yung Elites Empire through online. Kagaya mo din. I've been doing this for 2 years already and 2 taon na rin po akong hindi nagtuturo. I'm so grateful. Bakit? This is not my first company. Nakapag-join na rin po ako sa iba't ibang kumpanya because I'm really seeking for something na more than sa salary yung ibibigay sa akin. Pag yung sinasahod ko before, talagang hindi talaga siya sapat. Okay? Parang ano lang siya, for everyday na needs. Kaya I always see to it that I'm doing something extra and I'm doing business. But when I joined Elites Empire, dito ko nalaman that when entering pala this kind of industry, you have to know the system. Paano ka kikita? You have to know the mentor. Sinong mag-guide sa'yo passionately and forever mo nang kasama. Ay, sana only forever. And of course, yung community na susuportahan ka, maabot yung dreams mo. And that is Elites Empire. I found those 3 dito po sa community na ito. Lumakas yung loob kong sumubok ulit. Kasi nakita ko, sobrang passionate ng mga mentors na meron dito sa Elites Empire, from our founder to the mentors na na-create na millionaire ni Empress Pearl Hong. Talagang they are giving their heart, they are giving their time. And sabi ko nga, kaya pala sobrang daming successful sa Elites Empire. It is because we have passionate mentors dito. And I'm so excited na makilala mo sila dito sa Elites Empire. And first time sa pag-business through Elites Empire, through the system that we have, nakapag-earn pa ako first month ko ng 40,000 pesos. Ang tuloy-tuloy na po yon until right now na sobrang laki na po nabigay sa akin. Not just money, but also I was cultivated to be the best version of myself. Yun yung pinaka nagustuhan ko sa lahat. And most of all, I have my freedom. Yes. O, comment down mo dyan, freedom. Charis! O, diba? Freedom! Hindi ko na kailangan pang bumangon ng alas 5 ng umaga para pumasok sa school. Freedom na hindi ko na kailangan pa mag-time in, time out. Pero nung nasa Elites Empire na ako, talagang I am the boss of my own business. Sobrang nagustuhan ko siya because I can sleep whenever I want. I can go to places whenever I want, diba? And pinaka-grabe, hindi ko talaga na-imagine all my life na matatatakan yung passport ko. Kasi from someone na 10K yung sinasahod sa teacher, diba? I was able to travel international at 2 countries pa po, Vietnam and Cambodia. Sabi ko nga, grabe, ito pala talaga yung life na pinapa-experience sa akin ng Elites Empire. It's just more than the money. I know you have also a reason kung bakit ka nanonood ng video na ito. I could be an inspiration too. But most importantly is that I know you're looking for something na ikaka-level up ng life mo. Paano na bago nito yung buhay namin, ganun din yung mangyayari sa'yo. So to know more about Elites Empire, check on the description below kasi nilagay ko po dyan yung ating website link, www.elitesempire.com, and of course, our Facebook page that we have already 300,000 followers. Grabe, sobrang dami na po tayong na-reach because Elites Empire is not just in the Philippines, but Elites Empire is worldwide. See you here at Elites Empire because I know ikaw naman yung next na magbabago yung buhay.